before you consider trying it yourself, please be aware that just because it's good for gorillas doesn't mean it's good for humans. In fact, it has a devastating effect on humans because of bacterial infections, parasitic infections, viral infections, and toxic substances. Okay, that's enough about that topic. Let's move on before I'm sick. Some people think lions are nocturnal, but actually they are what's known as crepuscular or cathemeral, which means they are active most of the day and night, but peak during dawn and dusk when it's cooler.